very important information about circular pattern. I'll give you an example of this. So if we go to question number 8 on classwork 2, which is this problem, I'll give you 2 extra information about circular pattern. Okay, but before we go question 8, I'll give you an example of suppose that I want to make a circular pattern, okay, around this center. For example, give maybe 4 to 5 circles, but in 180 degree around this center. Okay, so how can I do that? Okay, I have this straight slot, and I want to make some circles around this edge, okay, with 180 degrees. So how can I do that? So we'll go to circular pattern, then click on any place on this circle. Okay, now I have a problem that he gives me like circles around this center, which is not true. I want my center to be here. So what should I do? Very simple. You have to reduce the amount of the radius here. So if you just click on these arrows a little bit, okay, so it makes the radius shorter. Now after you make this radius shorter, you can see that there is like a blue point, which means that this radius is, you can move it now. So just drag this blue point to any place you want, which is, I want it to be here to this center. Okay, as you can see now, this circle is rounded around this center. Okay, now I want it to be 180 degree, so I'll give it a degree of 180 with 180, but I didn't click, just I have to drag the center again, sorry. So circular pattern, this, reduce a little bit, then drag this center to be here. Okay, now make it like 5 circles, and make the angle is 180, not 360. Make it 180 degree. Okay, as you can see, we have 5 circles, okay, with 160 degrees. So the angle that you have to change is here, from here, not in this angle, okay. Then click check, make sure that equal spacing and dimension radius is check. So check again. Now make this center line vertical, click right click, then click on vertical. Also you have to click this point and this point, make a relation. Okay, make these 2 or 3 points, okay, make the relation is vertical, then check. Okay, now we did these 5 circles around this center. Okay, let's go to question number 8 now. So question number 8, okay, let's go to question number 8. Okay, this is question number 8. It happens. Okay, now if we go to question number 8, I'm not going to draw everything. I just want to know how to do these 4 circles. So I made the inner circle here, which is here. and this one just it needs the dimension between these two centers. So how much is the length here? The length is 50. So smart dimension between this center and this center, 50. Check. Okay, and to make it fully defined, I have to make a relation between this center and this center, and the relation is horizontal. Check. Okay, now I have to use a circular pattern. So click here, then circular pattern. What is the circular pattern? We have to choose this circle. Okay. Now, how many circles do I need? I need just 4. But I have to choose the angle. And the angle here, if we click on 90, if we type 90, look what happened. Okay, so this is 90 degree. Okay, for example, again, this and this are horizontal. Check. Okay, again we go and make it circular pattern. Click on this and make the degree. If I type minus 90, look what happened. If it's not minus 90, the software makes it in the upper side. But if I click 90 without minus, 90, now it's on the lower side. Make sure equal spacing and dimension radiuses are checked. Okay, make this horizontal, and also make this center and this center are vertical. Now we did this 4 circles. The other things, you have to make the circle, then line, tangent, line, tangent. Okay, let's do that, no problem. So click on this origin and make this circle. The circle would be 30 millimeter phi. So smart dimension, this is 30. Check. Okay, I'll do that. I'll do a straight line here, so solid line. For this line, I would choose the quarter. Solid line. I start from the quarter point. Okay, so go from this, and we have to go long a little bit and make it horizontal. The same thing, click here from the quarter point, click and go down longer a little bit, click, escape, escape, escape. Now make 3-point arc between this point and this point to inside or outside. It's outside, click. Okay, now make a fillet, make a fillet of 5 millimeters radius in this side and in this side. Check. Okay, make the radius, we have the radius of 60. Okay, so smart dimension and click on this arc. We type 60. Check. Okay. We can move this blue arc. Just click on escape 3 times. Okay, and you can move it a little bit. Okay, as you can see. Now, what should I do to make this drawing fully defined? I have to make a relation between, you see this point, blue center. I have to merge it with this center. So how can we do that? Make a relation, press on Control, click on this center, and click on the origin point again, please. So click on this center and click on this center and make a relation. What is the relation here? The new relation is merge, which means that we need to make these two centers are on each other. Okay, so merge. After we merge it, now we can see that this drawing is fully defined. I need just to trim this area. Okay, check, feature, extrude, then okay. Okay, I hope that these information are clear for you now. The skill number 1 is to change the center of the circular pattern from place to place. The second one is how to make the circles not 360 degree, but also you can make it 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, plus or minus. Okay, thank you.